Right guard.
Oh! Right on top of it, too.
Let's fucking go, baby! Hey, DJ, was that on film? That's a fucking dandy, boys. Let's go. Well, next thing I should be able to grab him and twist the arrow right now, right? And just fucking yank him out. Yep, there we go. Yeah, DJ, let's go!
Oh,
triple!
Did you see that thing come out of the water?
Oh my god, that thing aired out so crazy. Here, I can help people out. Here, grab this one. Here, go.
There you go.
I ain't saying that.
Yeah.
So